that too much information is not good for the society. Why I am saying this, I am just about to explain you. As there is a saying like too much of anything is bad. Similarly, the same principle applies to this. In this current era, every information is available to you on the tips. As you click a button,
You are like whether it's a girl or boy, it doesn't matter. In Article 14, it is also said that everyone is equal before law, and there should not be discrimination of boys and girls studying in different schools. So I believe that they should study in a one school, and they should study in a one institute only, means a co-ed school.
You are looking for the staying, right? For buying a property in a big city, then you will stay there, right? You can stay in PG and flats also. You may invest your money in another way, like investing in a gold, investing in a stock market. When I talk about the twin brothers, they have the lots of challenges too. Being twin brother with me, so the in class many of them said who's Prabhat, who's Pranay, even the teachers in the marks also they will. One of the case was happening in the first year when we have the only one phone, right? Even not a phone, even many things we got only one, that you both will use that.
There is a very sensitive age, they doesn't know how to react with the other person. Delhi government think about that girls and boys are different schools.
get an information. For me, this is too bad. The information is very much needed, and we are living in the society where competition is so much. There is no second chance available for you. So if you get the information and refine your activity in a better way, so you can compete in this world. So information exposure is very much needed.